Hello everybody. As you may have guessed, today we're talking about APA title pages. So the first resource that I wanted to offer everybody is the OWL Purdue website. The OWL Purdue website tells you not only how to do title pages, but also running heads and headings, everything that you may need to know about your APA paper. Next, I wanted to actually walk you through how to do an APA page. So first thing, we're going to open up our Word document. Once we're in Word, we have some formatting to take care of. For my class, I prefer you use Times New Roman, size 12 font. I would like your paragraphs to be double-spaced without spaces in between paragraphs. And 1-inch margins, which you can find in the layout. Margins, 1 inch. Next, let's institute our heading. You'll want to add your page numbers first. If you add your page numbers second, it will delete all of the other work you do in your page. So at the top of the page, on the far right, I'm going to insert numbers. Then double-click to take you to the next line and say different first page. Then type running head, and in all caps will be the title of your paper. Today's paper is just paper title. Next, we're going to center our text, hit enter 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and type our paper title. After the paper title, if we refer back to our APA style guide, we find that it's supposed to be the author's name and then the institutional affiliation. So, my name, and then my institutional affiliation. Some APA style guides will also have you insert an advising professor, which in this case be Dr. Hall. That is everything that you need to know to make your APA title page. Additionally, you can add this format so that you never have to make it again. Come to your formatting, click Create a Style, and name it whatever will help you remember. Click OK. So can't name it that. Click OK, and there it is. I hope that this has been helpful to you today, and I look forward to seeing you in class.